Agates are a fun way to start out with rock collecting. They're very easy to find and fun for the whole family. We have found agates up and down the Oregon coast, and also in our backyard. Once you start to recognize agates, they're very easy to find. My dad and I mostly found these agates in Yachats, Oregon. We had tons of fun walking up and down the beaches, digging holes and looking for these beautiful rocks. Agates are formed in volcanic rocks. They can also be formed in other host rocks, though. They come in many different colors, such as oranges, golds, and whites. They can also be found in shades of light blue, but those are rarer and harder to find. There are many different ways to clean your agates, but the way I like the best is with a mild mixture of citric acid and water. You can buy citric acid at Freddy's if you don't know where to get it. Vinegar would also work if you do not have any on hand, but it will take longer. Others have suggested using muriatic acid or oxalic acid, but those could be dangerous and should be avoided. Before I start, I would like to show you these very dirty agates so we can compare them at the end of the video. This agate was found in a tide pool at Strawberry Hill. It is green because of age and seaweed and all those other things in the ocean. This one has some crystals in there. We'll be watching this one to see if the crystals go away or not, because sometimes acid can make the crystals disappear. Let's get cleaning. So first you need a rather large plastic bin with a wide bottom. You need to take your agates, pour them in, and you want to spread the agates along the base of the bucket so you don't have to use as much water. After that, you want to pour some heated water into the bucket. It should be just enough to cover the top agate. Then you add the acid. You add 7 to 8 tablespoons per gallon, or if you want them clean, or if you have extra dirty, you can add a bit more for extra oomph. I'm going to add 3 or 4 tablespoons to mine. That should be enough. Then you mix it all up. After you're done mixing it, you set it out to clean for up to 24 hours. My rocks are done cleaning now. It is now time to dispose of this mixture in the toilet. Make sure you do not dump this acidic mixture onto the concrete because concrete and acid do not mix. You see that the water is kind of a dingy yellow to show that the acid has been working its magic. Now I'm dumping the acidic mix into the toilet. It is time to add the water and baking soda to neutralize the acidic effects. I'm not sure exactly how much baking soda you're supposed to add, but I'm just going to sprinkle about, enough to clean off the acid. The fizzing is what happens when acid and baking soda meet. Now I'm going to let it sit for around 24 hours. These are the 3 that I showed you at the very beginning of the video. This one is less green. This one still has its crystals and some of the black stuff cleaned off. And this one is just all around cleaner. But this acidic mixture does not get everything off. It did not get everything off of this rock. The black stuff is still on there. As you can see, this mixture does not get off everything. If you would like to get everything off, you will need to use a stronger acid. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to tumble your agates. If you would like to use the same tumbler that I'm going to use, you can check the link in the description after the video. Please use that link, it will help us a lot. Please subscribe to my Born channel. Thank you.